she's running away. What's going on, guys? Renegade here with you. We are about to show you the shop. Well, I'm about to show you the shop. She's running away. But yeah, so new house, new shop. About to show y'all what's up. But first, I just got this thing running. Didn't put a new motor in. I rebuilt the motor in it. And yeah, she is for sale. Yep. All right. So here's the shop. Hold on. So here's the shop. It's a 24 by 30. It's sectioned off. I got a bunch of stuff over here and a bunch of stuff over here. Yeah, again, for sale. Y'all come back. Well, it'll probably be sold by the time this video is posted. Hopefully. We'll see. Yes, sir. All right. So let's start off with the not as cool stuff. We got an air compressor, pressure washer. This little nozzle right here, y'all. It is the bomb diggity. It's called a turbo nozzle. If you don't have one of these on your pressure washer, make sure you get one because that works amazing. I used it for the first time last night, and I'll wash that off with it. So yeah, X3. All right, get back to it. Breakers, you know. That's what is that? It's for the grass, water do grass. You know, yeah, irrigation system. That's the word for it. All right, so I got my 2020 that I bought. Motor's blown. Going to rebuild it, but I just put some goodies on it. Tie rods, Aztecs, got those on a trade. A couple of goodies, but I'm gonna put the motor out. It is, yeah, toasted. Oh, well, she's not in it. Oh, well. But rod bearings are out. I think it won't start. You got old Titus over here. You know, got a Grizzly that's blown up. All these are mine, but this one's gonna be kept. Dang, the lights came on. Oh, that won't be sold. Of course, the one out here will be sold. All right, back to the shop. So I got a little attic space up there, got lighting, recessed lighting up there. Yeah, it's not completely insulated yet. The guy who owned it before started on it, but yeah, we got heating and air on our window units. Pretty neat. All right, so I built the shelves when I got here. Cabin started here. Thank goodness to him. They have came in clutch. All right, got my speaker system. Yeah, we gotta have the jams. Bluetooth, it's not playing right now because I'm videoing, but it got SC1, you know, all the goodies. Engine degreaser, WD-40's right there. You gotta have that. You gotta have, you know, stuff to clean off your hands. That is actually for the trailer. I'm gonna oil my trailer. Just bought me a battery charger and a starter. Got my oil. That stuff is so expensive right now. It's so dumb, but you know, it is what it is. Got all my tools. I ain't gonna show you everything I got in case you wanna come rob me, you know. I keep all this locked up, by the way. Don't try. Got my big fan. Hadn't even turned it on yet because it's climate controlled in this bad boy. Love it to death. Got a lot of tools everywhere. Not gonna show you what I got. Like I said, 4-wheelers. All right. So yeah, I started insulating this. I don't know if I'll finish it or not because it's pretty daggum nice in here. I'm so used to being out by the lake, in the wide open, in the cold, in the wind, well, not really in the rain, but kind of rain, you know. So this is like super nice to me. It's kind of small. Fits 4 4s on this side. A lot of parts on the other side. It's got a little bathroom. I'll show you all that. So we got my trash can. Got my waders. Got my girlfriend's waders. Got a new wader jacket. Y'all check them out. Gator waders. Use my code Renegade10. I will put it somewhere right here. But got my new Gator waders cooler. Got some boots. Oh, look at this hat. Y'all let me know if y'all want a hat. Got a bunch of these left. I got shirts too. Let me know if you want one. I will bring them with me wherever I go ride. I always have them. Yeah, y'all buy some. About $20. $20. You can't beat that. All right. Yeah. Got some chairs. All right. So this is room number 1. Lights off. Lights on. Yeah. All right. Let's go another room. So that is my garage door right there, and that's my new house. But not gonna do a complete video on it. Yeah. All right. So so this is not done completely. It would be recessed lighting, but at least I got lights, and that's all I'm worried about it. We got our Christmas tree put up because it's Christmas time. But yeah, I got my TV. Yeah, it's up there. It's still in the box. Who needs a TV? I'm just kidding. It's in the house. All right. Got a couple things up there, but that is my attic space. Got a loft. This is the bathroom. You know, got me a toilet, some brooms, stuff. Got us own little bitty window unit on this side. Man, got a little sink, works. Soap comes out of this thing. That's the coolest thing ever. I would push it, but then there'd be soap right there. And yeah. All right, I got stuff over here. I got a lot of extra parts. Y'all let me know if you need anything, or just bring me your stuff when it needs to be worked on, and I will work on it. That's another thing. I might open up shop. I actually got my LLC. It's gonna be Renegade LLC. What else would it be? But I am about to release it eventually. You know, I'm trying to get these foilers done and sold that I'm selling. And then I'll do that because these foils take a lot of time. But if you need anything worked on, let me know. I specialize in Can-Am, but I actually have the Bud system. If you need keys programmed, anything like that, hit me up. I'll do it. I'll beat any dealer's price. I know what they charge, so don't be like $20 an hour because that's ridiculous. This stuff takes time. It took me a long time to learn all this. But yeah. So if you need something worked on, let me know. Like I said, I rebuild motors. I like doing upgrades and stuff like that. That's my favorite. But anything that needs worked on, differentials, axles, and any brand, honestly. I just specialize in Can-Am because I love Can-Am and I've done the most with them. But Polaris, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, you name it, bring it. I will work on it. But yeah, back to the shop. Yeah, so I got a couple trophies up there where I came in third. I actually blew my trans on my race bike in that race, and that was an awesome time on my Renegade, my 2021 Mr. Beast. But yeah, got a couple things up there. Just bought some aluminum brightener. You know, got to clean that aluminum up. Make sure you dilute this if you use it on your motor and stuff, big time, and wash it off. And I like to spray WD-4 and everything I get done or something like that. Got a bunch of extra parts I keep. So yeah, you might get a little cheaper deal if you use some reused parts. Yeah, when you bring your stuff. So this is the side of the shop. Got a couple buckets, little cleaning supplies. It's gas cans. Can't be gas cans. 93, I run 93 and everything I got. But no ethanol. No ethanol. I don't think there's anything else to show you. Got a nice window, nice lighting. But yeah, I love this place. First time being out of the house. I am 25 years old, so this is like super sweet. Super sweet. It's a nice little hangout area, mainly for myself, because yeah. But I like when people come hang out and just playing. So if you want to come hang out. We'll work on something. I'll show you a little something. But bring your stuff you need it worked on. And yeah, so I'll show you all this. I actually just got done clearing this off about 2 weeks ago with a bush hog. It was like half grown up. This house is about 5 years old, so it had been growing for about 5 years. So I wasn't too tall, but got me some grass growing. So excited about that. And I cut me some trails when I had it. The tractor. Yeah. No, I just ran it over with a foiler. Not for real. Use a tractor. But so I got a couple of trails. I used the test ride, everything. I got about 5 acres, so not too much land, but it's good enough for test riding. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. I hope y'all like the shop. It is absolutely amazing, honestly. I will eventually be building a bigger shop, but I gotta get some money saved up, you know, Christmas, buying a house, all that hit me hard. I'm still working full time. So yeah, bring me your stuff, get some extra money, get a bigger shop, and y'all hit me up. And until next time, guys, I'm probably gonna post this week. So next week we'll have the last ride from Boggs. That's the last time we went, and then we're going back for New Year's, hopefully. Just gonna do a day ride, make a video too, but probably go back to Boggs. It's fun. I like Boggs. Boggs is my favorite. Y'all let me know what other videos y'all want. I do a ton of riding stuff, but I'm down to like make mechanic videos, working on stuff. Really down to do anything. Honestly, it's just random stuff I do. I don't do much. I do a lot of work for other stuff, but yeah. So till next time, guys. Renegade out. Renegade. Yeah.